Amir Ali Muhammad Ormadawala was born in 1917 in the house of Muhammad Hirji of Amir Ali. His father died in 1918 when he was hardly a year old. His mother, Sambai, had a religious proclivity and rendered her services as the Mukhi of the Ormada Jamaat. He was given adequate religious training since childhood. He entered the arena of community services when he became the chairman of the Ormada School Board. He also served as a member of the Ormada Council and became the Kamadia and then Mukhi of the Jamatkhanas. In appreciation of his dedicated services, the Imam bestowed upon him the title of Alijah in 1946. It may be noted that in the early centuries, Ormada was a part of Kalat state under Makran domain. It was given to Jam of Lasbela by Khan Nasir Khan. It remained in Lasbela state till 1972. When Jam Ghulam Muhammad, the ruler of Lasbela, visited Ormada in 1933, he appointed Ajharuddin as the first Nayab Tahsildar of Ormada. In the time of the 8th Nayab Tahsildar, Mr. Allah Dino, 1945 to 1946, an earthquake devastated Ormada, in which the Jamatkhanas was also destroyed. Its report was communicated in Bombay to the Imam through a delegation of the Ormada Jamaat. The Imam granted permission to build a new Jamaatkhana. Mukhi Amir Ali extended his timely and valuable cooperation in building the new Jamaatkhana and donated a large amount in return. He served the Ormada Jamaat for 5 years. He launched a trip of Karachi in 1948 and found it an ideal place for his business. He worked hard and built a successful business in Karachi. He was indeed a man of manifold qualities, notably a source of encouragement to social workers. He was a noble soul and possessed pleasing and lovable personality. He was appointed Kamadia of the Garden Jamatkhana on 21st March 1961. In view of his invaluable services, the Imam promoted him as Mukhi on 25th December 1964 in place of late Wazir Mukhi Hussain Pira, who died on 12 September 1964. He executed the office of the Mukhi till his last breath. The Imam also bestowed him the title of Itmadi. He became an ex officio member of the Ismaili Federal Council for Pakistan and the Ismaili Association for Pakistan. He was also a member of the Aga Khan Karachi Jamatkhanas Construction Advisory Committee, the Pakismalia Cooperative Bank Limited, Education Board and Platinum Jubilee Finance and Investment Corporation. He played significant part in the construction of the new Jamaatkhana of Garden area. He performed the column concrete filling ceremony of the 3rd floor of the Garden Jamatkhana on 11 July 1966. Mukhi Itmadi Amir Ali Ormadawala died on Monday, 23rd October 1967. The Imam sent the following urgent telegraphic message on 18th November 1967 to the Garden Council. Paris Telex D. Lassie, Pa Luzakis, 6229-1142. Karachi. My dear President and members, I have received your letter of 24th October and was much grieved to hear of the sad demise of Atmadi Amir Ali Muhammad Ormadawala, the Mukhi of Garden Jamaat. I send my most affectionate paternal maternal loving blessings for the soul of late Atmadi Amir Ali and pray that his soul may rest in eternal peace. Kindly convey my most affectionate paternal maternal loving blessings to all the members of late Atmadi Amir Ali's family for courage and fortitude in their great loss. Late Atmadi Amir Ali's devoted services will always be remembered by my Karachi Jamaat and myself. He was like a lion of service and was an example to all, but which few could emulate. While appointing Rai Jumabhai Sadruddin Khemani, the president of the Garden Council, as the new Mukhi for Garden Jamatkhana, the Imam sent following message on 1st January 1968 to the Federal Council for Pakistan that, My dear President and members, I appoint with my best paternal maternal loving blessings Rai Juma Sadruddin Khemani as the Mukhi of Garden Jamaat. I send my best paternal maternal blessings for the soul of late Mukhi Amir Ali Muhammad Ormadawala and pray that his soul may rest in eternal peace. Until 21st March 1968, The Vice President of the Garden Council should attend to the functioning of the Garden Council.